If you want to permanently delete your Snapchat account, here is how to do it safely and correctly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't allow account deletion directly from the Android app. Navigate to the Snapchat accounts portal at accounts.snapchat.com. Log in using your Snapchat username and password. Then select Delete My Account. You will be asked to confirm by entering your password again. Tap Continue to begin the deactivation process. Once confirmed, Snapchat will deactivate your account for 30 days. During this grace period, you can still reactivate by logging back in with your username and password. After the 30 days pass, your account and most associated data will be permanently deleted. Though certain data like purchase records may still be retained for legal purposes. If your Snapchat account is based in India, the timeline is slightly different. The deactivation period lasts for 30 days, but full deletion can take up to 180 days due to local regulations. So, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more fixes.